Hello?
Yes, Ram here.
Ram, I'm Meera calling from Pinnacle India for the interview. We informed you the last date. Hello? Ram, can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Ram, you can choose the medium for the interview in English or Malayalam.
Ma'am, I'm okay with both the languages, but I prefer English.
Okay, Ram, then we shall continue in English.
Okay, ma'am.
You need to answer 15 questions in 15 minutes. You have been allotted by the company to answer these questions. If you still not understand, I shall repeat the questions till you understand them. But after 15 minutes, you need to get at least 12 correct answers. I hope it's clear. Did you got it, Ram?
Yes, ma'am.
For some questions, we'll have further time limits. Like 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds and so on. This will be revealed only while those questions are asked. And don't hesitate to ask for the right answers if you get them wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
If you delay, you may lose time. You need to be on the phone for 15 minutes without any interruptions.
Okay, ma'am.
You should not attend any other calls, okay? I will call you back in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Wish you all success.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, Ram.
Yes, ma'am.
Your time starts now.
Okay, ma'am.
Ram, if you are in an interview, if I were to attend an interview with you, what would be the first question you ask me, Ram?
Ma'am, shall I speak like I'm on the interview board?
Yes, Ram, that's exactly what we want.
Thank you, ma'am. Miss Meera, I've gone through your profile. It's good. You've scored well in all the exams you have attended. And I like the way you have presented yourself. And I appreciate the fact that you have chosen this company to prove your skills. The company is growing now. And now HR Executive Meera could be promoted as an HR manager. And you'll be dealing all the recruitments for the company. Do you understand what I'm saying? Am I right, Meera?
Yes?
Yes. Okay. If that is the case, then what would be the first question you ask an MBA graduate when he attends an interview for the marketing position? Madam, this will be my first question.
Very good. Second question. Ram, you are standing facing west now. After moving 100 meters to your left, you need to turn 180 degree and walk 200 meters back and then move 100 meters to the left and turn to the right and walk 300 meters forward. Again turn to the left and walk 100 meters backwards. Did you got it, Ram?
Okay.
Okay. So, in which direction are you facing now?
Sorry, ma'am. Next question.
Okay, Ram. Third question.
Okay.
The double of the first digit is the last digit of a vehicle registration number. Second and third digits are the same. Last two digits are the double of the first digit. So, what is the registration number of the vehicle?
It's 4998, ma'am.
You are right. Next question. The Malayalam meaning of the word Yahoo. Ram, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here. It's barbarian.
Yes? Why do you have to be formal with me? You can be frank with me. Come on, be free.
Sir, you already know. It's been 3 years I'm working here as an HR executive. I'm aware that there is a vacancy for HR manager and I have applied it. So many applicants are already come. I too have applied it. Sir, if you could recommend my name, I would get the post. It would be a great help for me.
Of course, I can. I can do that for you. If suppose I recommend your name for that post, what is my profit?
What do you mean?
I mean, what will you give me? Hmm?
No thanks. I will meet the MD.
Good morning, sir.
Yes?
I can't do it, Meera. I know you're qualified and experienced, but I can't violate the company rules. Meera, you know I took over this company just a year ago after my father's death. And the growth of this company is only because of the mission and vision of the company.
Ma'am, my situation.
Why are you saying like this, Meera? I can't run this company based on your family situations. You can attend the interview, that's all. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Meera, one second.
Yes, ma'am.
I can do one thing for you, Meera. I'm conducting an interview tomorrow for our marketing department.
Mm.
One Mr. Ram, a well qualified young guy. Can you conduct that interview, Meera?
You mean?
I mean, during tomorrow's interview time, that is 15 minutes, Meera, you're going to be the MD of the company. You must be the MD of the company. Tomorrow's interview will be an interview for you to the post of HR manager, okay? Come on, Meera. Say yes or no.
Yes, I will. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Good. Go meet the GM. GM will provide you with the questions to be asked.
Ma'am, actually,
Yeah, I can understand. Since my father's time, Gopakumar has been a senior staff, so I ignore a lot of things. You carry on, don't worry. I'll inform him.
yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Excuse me, Meera.
If Shruti is willing, I'll take you to Malaysia. Hmm?
Come on, sir.
Excuse me.
Huh?
May I?
Okay. See you.
I'll call you later, sir.
Bye. Take your seat.
No, sir. Madam would have called you. If you give the questions, I could prepare myself.
Oh, yes. Here it is. There are a lot of questions. Out of these, you have to select 15.
Sure, sir.
Morning, 10 o'clock is the interview. One thing. Before the interview, you have to show the selected questions to me in person. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Meera? All the best.
Thank you.
Good. Very good selection.
Yeah, Mom.
I've been trying you since long. I went to meet the Panchayat president to see the bank manager. Like president told, he says the loan can be renewed. But your present salary certificate is not enough. If the loan is not renewed, our house and land will be required by the bank. You know it's your father's property. You will get a promotion, right? I'll come and meet you at the office.
Hello, Ram.
Yes, Ram here.
Ram, I'm Meera calling from Pinnacle India for the interview. We informed you last date.
Sure, ma'am.
Ram, if you are in an interview, if I were to attend an interview with you, what would be the first question you ask me, Ram?
Ma'am, shall I speak like I'm on the interview board?
You are standing facing west now.
Sorry, ma'am. Next question.
Third question. What is the vehicle number?
It's 4998, ma'am.
Fourth question. The Malayalam meaning of the word Yahoo. Ram, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here. It's barbarian. Okay, ma'am.
The questions I have given, even if it is wrong, he should answer.
In case, after 3 to 4 years, if you are the marketing head of this company, how will you work? Just imagine, Ram.
Okay.
One day, you leave the office at exactly 6 o'clock. You need to travel 1 hour to attend an urgent meeting. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
From this meeting, company should fetch 50 lakhs contract. Got it? On your way out from the office, you are greeted by the security guard who is a womanizer. Okay, Ram?
Okay.
Suddenly, you remember one thing. A beautiful female, your colleague, is alone in the office. And she has also some urgent work to be finished. In this situation, what will you decide, Ram? Will you stay back with your office colleague? Or will you carry on to sign the office contract? Tell me, Ram. Julie?
I will definitely stay back with my colleague in the office, madam. Because
Because?
the contract might fetch the company a 50 lakhs contract. But if I leave my colleague with the womanizer, maybe the company itself will have to shut down. So this is the right decision. Ma'am, and one more thing. I think this question is irrelevant
What do you mean?
because I know the MD of your company is a young lady. And she's a very dynamic lady also. I'm sure she will not put up with such womanizers in her company at any cost.
Sixth question. An intelligent trader has 3 sacks carrying 30 coconuts each one. In the 3 sacks, there is totally 90 coconuts. He needs to cross 30 checkposts to reach the market. At every checkpost, he has to pay 1 coconut per sack as tax. That means, at one tax point, 3 coconuts. So while he crosses the 30th checkpost, will the trader have any coconuts left in the hand? If yes, how many? Ram, your time is going.
A normal person will pay 1 coconut at each checkpost, and finally he will sit and cry a lot. See, like this. You know why? Our hero will cross all the 30 checkposts and keep the coconuts within. Sir, good morning. 3 sacks, 3 coconuts. Oh my god, for walking also you will put tax, I think so. It will happen some days. They won't bother. From which sack I'm giving the coconut. So after 10th check post, 1 sack is empty. And now I have lesser load. Okay, now it's 2 sacks and 2 coconuts. My weight is lesser, my weight is lesser. Sir, 2 coconuts. You see, no? So the second sack is also empty. Now I am left with only 1 sack, which means I just have to pay only 1 coconut. So from 26th to 30th check post, I given just 1 coconut. So when I cross the 30th check post, balance how many coconuts in my sack?
My answer is 25, madam.
You are correct, Ram. Here is the 7th question.
He should never be able to answer those questions you have prepared.
Ram, you need to answer this question in 10 seconds.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the name of the Muluvakad Panchayat President of the Ernakulam district?
Sorry, ma'am. I don't know.
Mr. Ram, it's your panchayat.
What is his name, madam?
Your panchayat president name is K.N. Dinakaran.
Oh,
8th question. Ram, you are driving a transport bus from Ernakulam to Alapi.
yes, ma'am.
Now you have to listen carefully. This is maths. The question will not be repeated.
Okay.
There are 12 passengers in the bus. In next stop, 2 passengers board the bus and 1 gets down. From the next stop, 3 passengers board the bus and again 2 get down. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
At the next stop, 5 people board the bus, but 3 passengers had no cash. So the 2 passengers were asked to leave the bus. For the 1 person, another passenger helped him to buy the ticket. Okay, Ram?
Okay, ma'am.
In this case, what is the age of the driver?
Since the driver who's driving from Ernakulam to Alapi is me, the driver's age is 25.
Yes, you are right. Ram, question number 9.
Okay, ma'am.
In 100 seconds, you need to name 100 words without the alphabet A. And your time starts now.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 98, 99, 100. It's my answer, ma'am.
You're right, Ram. Ram, it's a 10-second question and the 10th question. Which is the most densely populated island in Asia?
Sorry, ma'am, I don't know.
Do you want to know the answer, Ram?
Yes, ma'am.
The Vaipan Island next to your place is the most densely populated island, Ram. Ram, here is your 11th question.
Yes, ma'am.
Ram, you are having 2 tablets each for cough and fever. Got it?
Yes.
All the 4 tablets are same color, same size, same smell and same weight.
Okay, ma'am.
So you need to take 1 tablet each for cough and fever. What will you do?
Ma'am, I'll make half of all 4 tablets and half of each.
Oh, sure. My dad.
You're right, Ram.
Thank you, ma'am.
12th question. In a room, there are 3 persons.
Okay.
If they shake hands with each other, what is the total number of shake hands? Answer me in 10 seconds.
Ram, my dad is calling. Catch you later. All the best.
It's 3, ma'am.
You're right, Ram. Question number 13. If hard work is 98%, knowledge is 96%, love 54, luck is 47, money 72, and leadership is 97%, then what is the percentage of attitude?
Sorry, ma'am. Next question, please.
Okay, Ram. Which is the most sold toy in the world, Ram?
Rubik Cube, invented in 1977 by the English architect Arno Rubik, is the most sold toy in this whole world, madam.
You're right, Ram.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ram, now you answered 10 questions. Here is your last question.
Okay, ma'am.
Sir, but this question
Yes, you must, Mira.
Ram, just imagine if your mother is a prostitute. What will be your attitude?
Yeah, ma. I'm at home, ma. How was your tour?
It's very cold here. You could have come to.
Oh, please. By the way, what will I do in your honeymoon?
How is my Julie?
Julie is here only.
You spoke about an interview, right?
Yeah, the interview is going on.
Oh, is it?
I will call after it's over, ma. Bye-bye.
Okay, son.
Hello, ma'am.
Ram, why did you disconnect the phone?
It was a network issue.
Being in the network area was part of the rule, right? Are you going to answer this question?
Yes, ma'am, I'll answer it. If my mother is a prostitute, I have no issues.
Because
I know my mother, and I'm sure her client will only be my father. Madam, I have a question. If I ask that, maybe I'll not get this job. But I really want to ask. I want to know about the mother of the person who made this question.
okay, Ram. Now, questions are over. 2 minutes remain. Ram, if you want, I can repeat any of the questions. Because you must answer one more question to pass this interview.
Of course, ma'am. Could you please repeat the question number 13?
If he answers my prepared questions, what to do?
You fail in this game, Mira.
Okay, Ram. If hard work is 98%, knowledge 96%, love 54, luck is 47, money 72, and leadership is 97%, then what is the percentage of attitude?
Ma'am, I should not be asking this. But is there any clue?
Excuse me, Meera. Our intention is not to make him fail. We just need to judge how his patience, knowledge, and skills will benefit our company. Only to know that. And yours too. You got that?
Ram, now luck is 47%. If you're lucky, that will increase into 72%. This is my clue.
ma'am, the attitude is 100%.
You're absolutely correct, Mr. Ram.
Thanks, ma'am.
Ram, your interview is over. You have answered 12 questions,
Okay.
but the clue. Anyway, I'll get back to you soon.
Thanks, ma'am.
Well done, Mira. You have done a great job.
Thank you.
Hello.
Ram, I'm the managing director of Pinnacle, Devika here.
Yes, ma'am.
Congrats, Ram.
You're appointed as the new marketing executive of our company.
Thank you, ma'am.
And our company wish you all the very best.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Woo! Judy! Judy!
Actually, I'm very sorry, Mira. This will be your last day in this company as HR executive. Mr. Gopakumar,
Huh?
meet our new HR manager, Miss Mira. Congrats, Mira.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Sudesh.
Yeah, tell me, how was the interview?
It's over, man.
And the result?
What is there to happen? I'm appointed in Pinnacle India, dude!
Great! So coming this right?
Yeah. But I don't know the route to your place.
Once you reach the junction, ask anyone, they will navigate you.
Okay.
And hey, did you got the answer to my question?
Oh no, I totally forgot about it. The city of truth and falsehood, right?
Yeah, yes.
Before I reach your place, I'll reach the city of truth.
Hmm?
Okay?
Okay, Ram.
Okay, then see you soon.
Bye.
Oh, this is exactly like the question. Now, which one of these is Sudesh City of Truth? Brother! Do you know the way to Sugesh's house? Are you from this place?
What do you want?
Do you know Sugesh's house?
Which Sugesh?
The one that is housewarming today.
Housewarming. What does that mean?
Housewarming means a function in the newly built house.
Oh, that is right next to my house. I'm going that way. I will show you.
So, I just had to ask the way to your house.
Ah, exactly. You will take me with you, no?
So, are you from the city of truth or city of falsehood?
Ah, I can't understand.
Nothing, brother. Come ride with me.
Ah, this I understand.
Hello?
Yeah, did you find the way?
I got the way and the answer to your question.
Really, you got the answer?
Yes.
Okay, then tell me, what that single question is?
Sugesh, I just need to ask the man the way to his house. That will ultimately lead me to the city of truth. That is the simple question I have to ask.
Wow, you're brilliant, man. Okay, come soon.
Okay.
So, son, you actually came to my house, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Go left. Ah.
So that is the city of Falls.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey, wait for me!
It's getting late. We are going. Hey, Prakash. Yeah? You got canned by the teacher yesterday, right? You're just an idiot. I told you yesterday to tie grass together, right? See, none of us got canned.
Hey, come fast, otherwise we'll be late.
What all beliefs? It's good luck to see a crow pheasant or a pair of myna, and this is one of them. Tie grass together to escape being punished for not studying.
Oh, so many mangoes.
Hey! Stop staring at the mangoes and go to school. Come on.
Son, you haven't gone yet? You can check the mangoes later. Get to the school soon.
The best time of one's life is school days. These kids don't understand that. If they study well, it's good for their future.
That's true.
Oh yeah, as though they have diction and copywriting above all the canning. Always all are scolding me.
Oh my god, school bell would have gone by now.
It's okay. You carry on to school.
Andruka is a synonym for patience. But my friends are just the opposite.
Oh my god. What a disgusting smell. Ooh. What a bad smell.
You come up with dog shit, Jennifer. Can't tolerate.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste. Sit down. Silence. What's happening there?
Sir, it's full of dirt here.
Dirt? Oh, rascal. What's all this? Get up, step aside. Very nice. Go and wash it off. Come on, go fast. Stop laughing. The latecomers have arrived so soon? Get inside. What is it?
That is our bus stand, sir.
Bus stand. Go and wash it off. Comes to the school covered in dirt. As if the parents are bothered. Anil Kumar Kese.
Yes, sir.
Although he was upset being teased, the smell of dirt did not bother our hero. Probably because the smell reminded of his home. Though a laborer, this is how his father was on a regular basis. And his mother was definitely not handling perfumes.
You are coming to school for study or eating? Useless fella. Sit down there.
Sir,
Okay, sit down. Thomas, answer.
Abraham Lincoln.
Brilliant.
Whatever happened, our hero never missed a single day of school. And there is a reason. No. It is not the free lunch. What inspired him to have an oil bath and apply cuticura powder was her. Gayatri.
Silence. So what were we discussing? Person studied with candlelight. And that great person was Abraham Lincoln.
Hey,
Without
so I
fail,
can't become a
study
great
there.
person?
Why
You
so?
have
My
5
house
marks
has
per
electricity.
10.
I can.
Be
You only have
careful.
kerosene lamp, right?
Silence.
Dear son, why are you sitting and wasting your time? Go and sleep.
Dear doting fathers, what you may be interrupting are beautiful dreams.
Hey Balu, wait, I'm also coming now. Why you're so fast?
You know one thing? If we hurry up, we can go to Salam's house.
What for?
It seems the radio in his house, a person inside.
What nonsense.
Without a person being inside, you think the radio will sing? Hurry up.
Hey Balu, it seems the pool in Smita's house has colorful fishes.
Who's that? That lice head?
What?
Yeah, her head is full of lice. She scratches her head all the time.
This is Balu. Opens his mouth only to talk nonsense. Like some new generation movie.
Today we are sure to be canned.
Don't worry, you have my company. Oh God! Hey Prakash, did you see this?
Wow.
Dun-dun-dun.
What is this?
It is from a plane. You know, Prakash, my uncle is a driver in the plane. He dropped it while flying.
Let me see. Your uncle who fractured his leg riding a bicycle, right?
Enough, Prakash. Give it back. Never believes my
Hey.
words.
Hey Balu, do you want some plants?
Huh?
To clean your slate board?
Why are you suddenly being so considerate? I think there is something you want from me. Hey Balu. Bam bam.
In which hand it is?
It is in this hand.
Oh no.
Now my turn. In which hand it is?
You're holding in this hand.
Do you want a raw mango? I'm asking you only. It is very tangy. Here, take it. Gayatri, I'm leaving. Did you like it?
I like raw mango very much.
And one more thing. He likes you a lot.
Hey,
Catch, go, go.
Hey, come here. We are waiting.
Hey, what happened? Don't worry, I'm with you. You come. Hey, she will see me.
Hey, you don't want to play with me?
Yeah. I am going mad here. You get lost. You come, Prakash. Let him do whatever he wants.
Hey Balu, listen. Come and play with me, otherwise I'll kill you.
I will see you next time. You come.
How dare he to say like that?
Did you tell her anything?
Balu, she was too busy eating the raw mango. She said nothing.
You don't worry, Prakash. Girls don't talk much like boys. Give that thing to me. Take it out. Can't you take it out?
Take it.
I don't want chalk. Give me the gooseberry. Take it fast.
My fear is not that. I worried if she will inform her family. Her father's face makes me want to grab. Very irritating. Here.
Oh, that is your problem now.
Hmm.
Okay, that is your problem. I will sort it out.
What are you doing?
Wait for 1 minute.
What is this?
You lift your hand.
What for?
Lift. Now, no problem.
Hey, not that. What if she tells home?
Oh, come on, Prakash. We are men. Need to be a bit stronger than anyone.
He is talking about that.
Oh God, Dingandoma.
Leave me. Leave me.
You dare to steal eggs from my lunchbox? How dare you to do like this?
I won't repeat it.
I won't leave you, man. And after you touch my lunchbox, I'll kill you. Careful.
Yeah, right. Men need to be brave. Just like this.
Sir, tomorrow I will pay the cash.
Oh my God.
Haven't I told you not to go by walk?
It's because school left early, Daddy.
Okay, come on. Who are you?
I am Brother Chandran's son.
In such a situation, anybody is bound to call their dad as brother. Since her father was not too tough on me, this is a moment I can never forget in my entire life. In movies, this would be the right situation for an interval.
Hey, Prakash.
Hey, Prakash. I'm searching for you everywhere. What are you doing standing here?
Me? Was doing my homework.
So you did your homework here, right? Oh, I'm going to punish.
Tell me what's the matter?
Haven't it been long enough that you are interested in her? At least speak bravely today. Sorry. From tomorrow, no classes. Study holiday. For that only, I
Okay,
can...
let's go.
Statue! Hey, Prakash!
What are you doing there? We have no time, so come on. What?
I'm statue.
Hey, what?
Please come and touch me.
Come on. I just said that we have no time, but you were playing around there. If we get late, I'll kill you.
Okay, leave it, man.
Hey, come on,
My
da.
darling also called me, da.
There she is.
Go.
But
Hey,
I get
go
scared.
and speak, man.
Okay.
Don't be shy, okay? This is the nice opportunity for you. So go. Don't wait. She is there only.
Gayatri?
What is it?
Could you please come with me?
Tell her.
I just need to tell you something.
Okay, let me explain. He has something to tell you.
Yeah.
After school, come to the lane, okay?
What is it? Listen, exams are close. I have tuitions in the evening. Just get lost from here.
Following her all the way, our hero lost his way. He failed in his final exams. Now what? What else? Wait for her on the way to school.
Oh God, I was afraid you would pass the exam. Nice chance. Tell about your love. Go, man.
I don't know what he's gonna tell. See, Prakash, instead of wasting your time following me, why don't you try to clear the exams? And moreover, it won't work between us. And if my father gets to know, he will kill me. Let's go, come.
He hardly heard anything she said. He was deafened by the wind and blinded by tears.
You know, no one can keep flaws in my ears. I only keep. Because I am a brilliant man.
Hey, Balu, you'll have to borrow my ears if you lose once again.
First you play, then I'll show you.
Let's see.
First you pay your bet money.
I am going to win the next game.
Now I'll show you who I am. Wait and see.
Has he taken something bitter?
Oh, you don't know that? His love was rejected.
Balu. I can't forget her, da.
So that is your problem now. You need a help to forget her. One idea. Give me 10 rupees. Only empty pocket. Hey, you give 10 rupees.
Hey, I don't have money, man.
Hey, just 10 rupees only, no.
Hey,
5 rupees only you have. Hey, 10 rupees.
I don't have.
Hey, just 10 rupees.
Even I don't.
Come on, beggars, please.
Yes.
I
Give me,
have
give me.
only 10
Yeah,
rupees.
yeah. It's enough. So you need to forget her. Forget her, right?
Hey, Balu,
Within half an
where
hour,
are you going, man?
forget her.
Please tell him.
Wait and see. Hey, shut up. He needs to forget her. It's very simple. Good idea. I'll come in a moment. You will forget her for sure.
Balu.
Hey, don't feel.
What do you say?
Who's the bad boy?
Balu. Balu.
Tell me.
To enjoy.
Just need guys, Trida.
Hey, good, good,
Right
buddy.
time. Right
Don't
age
worry.
also.
Now I am pleasant.
Whatever you lose in this world, friends and bad habits always stand by you. And finally, you will be left with only the bad habits.
Naran uncle.
Hey, you?
Please give me a glass of water.
Get lost, you. I will throw this hot tea on you. You rascal. I had enough cleaning your vomit the other day. Get out of my sight. This is not his father's property. The next time you come here, I'll slap you. Good for nothing, fella.
Narayan,
What do you want?
who's that boy?
Talking about that guy.
Huh.
Like father, like son. He is Chandran's son.
Oh, no point in blaming him then.
Huh? What do you mean?
I mean, like father, like son.
That's true. Like father, like son.
Such boys are a bad influence to the younger generation, you know. Such people are a big burden to the town.
Hey, stop.
Brother.
First you have to
give me
pay
some
the last
medicine,
payment.
brother.
Then only I
Brother,
give the
need
medicine. Go. Hey.
Medicine, brother.
No.
Please give me this
No,
medicine,
no
brother.
excuse.
I
can't give you.
money later.
No more credit for you.
Brother,
Just leave.
brother.
Leave.
Brother. Medicine. Stop.
Hey, where you gone? Where is the medicine?
What?
Huh?
He didn't give me the medicine.
Prakash, listen.
I said I'll give money, but he refused to give medicine. Come on. Hey, come on. This side.
Okay, come with me. Come on.
This side, come on. No,
Hey,
I need
listen to me.
medicine.
We go.
Hey, Balu.
Come on. Sit down.
Medicine.
Yeah.
Medicine.
Shut your mouth and come.
What are you doing?
We'll ask him.
Hey, what the... Where are we going? I need water.
Explosive. Hey, careful.
What are you doing?
Come.
Hey, who are you? Hey! Why are these people standing at it?
Now place the last one onto the leaf. Now some flowers on top. Now stand up facing south and clap your hands thrice. Now you step back a little.
His soul is not at peace.
I'm worried about you all. You are not living your life properly. We should set ourselves some goals and we should walk on the path to reach the goal. Throughout our life, we shouldn't lose our moral principles. I know what you people are thinking. Everybody are bothered about their own past, filling your mind with worries. Nobody is living in the present. Leave the past and future. Think about your present day life. Do you people understand what I say? Every minute is precious to us. Our past is a part of history now. I am more concerned about the youngsters of this generation. I am of the opinion that the main reason for youngsters losing their focus in life can be said as follows. The lack of public facilities like reading rooms and libraries, arts and sports clubs, all these are soon disappearing from our cities. People organize here for the wrong reasons. It's high time that youth groups wake up to the need of the hour. It's my humble request to you all youngsters.
And thus started the communist chapter in his life. Social activism threw a new light on life, and he became acquainted with world classics and literature.
Narayanan uncle! Narayanan uncle! This is the time for celebration. Narayanan uncle, give this to everyone.
What is so special?
You don't know what?
No?
Our Prakash got rank.
Is it true?
Yeah. Go and check the newspaper. Let's go to the other shop.
Who's that? Our late Chandran's son?
Yeah, our comrade Prakash's son only.
Well, I knew this all the while. He's a very smart guy. He's a role model to all our youngsters. He has made our land very proud indeed.
When did you say?
The story reaches its completion here. Our hero is the main character and protagonist of this story.
My life taught me that life is what you make out of it. Wishes are not enough. Wishes need be supported by concrete decisions. When you run away from life's adverse circumstance, blaming financial and social limitations, remember that the future depends on each one of you all. Education is the one of the most dangerous weapon in the world, so use it to clean the society. I wish you all the best in all your dreams. Every wish has to be come true, but you need to educate yourself and learn more things and practice yourself every day. Practice makes a man perfect. Do your best. You will get the appreciation. Thank you all.